Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open File Manager. So you can select, firstly you have to select what you want to transfer. So let's transfer, I don't know, maybe some picture. Could be this screenshot. So you just hold your finger on it. Like if you want to select multiple files, you will have to hold your finger on it and then... Okay, so I guess unfortunately you can't really transfer multiple files at the same time. So you just have to transfer every image one by one. So you hold your finger on it, you select if you want to copy it, select copy. Then you go to the so-called target folder on SD card. So it could be like... Okay, so we have to create some kind of folder now. And then you tap paste. And now you have this file on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.